Imagine a world where we can sustainably feed our livestock while conserving our planet's precious resources. Welcome to the future of animal nutrition, insect-based animal feed. Insects are not just creepy crawlies. They are powerful protein-packed superfoods, high in nutrients and rich in essential amino acids. Insects can replace traditional feed sources like fish meal and soy, drastically reducing our ecological footprint. With the global demand for meat and dairy rising, we face a challenge: how to produce enough feed without harming the environment. Insect farming requires significantly less land, water, and energy compared to conventional livestock feed production. Plus, insects can thrive on organic waste, turning what would be discarded into valuable nutrition. This creates a circular economy, reducing waste and promoting sustainability in agriculture. As consumers, we have the power to choose a more sustainable future. By supporting insect-based feed, we can ensure healthier animals, a greener planet, and a more resilient food system for generations to come. Join the movement and embrace the revolution in animal nutrition. Together, let's feed the future with insect power. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights on sustainable innovations.